On today's episode, we're going to be hunting some of the steepest country we know. The weather's a little cooler today, so it should lend itself to some good dog work. Let's get after it. He's looking a little birdie. Oh, I got that one. Okay, so I got to mark where that one went because it went super far. So it's just above that tree. Dead bird, dead bird. Where's the dead bird? This is that tree. So, oh, she's on it. Good girl. Grab it. Good girl. Looks like it's still alive, maybe. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it, Annie. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Good girl. Annie took me right to those birds, and I really should have had more than one. They got it pretty close to me. For some reason, the going away shot's my most difficult shot. Cross shot, love it. Going away, which seems like it should be easier, it's just not my shot. So I did get one out of that group. It was a pretty long one, but it was actually the only one that kind of crossed. So happy to have a bird at this point, and super stoked that Annie brought me over because I wasn't even gonna go that way, but I could see she got birdie, and sure enough, it paid off. Annie's on point. Good girl. Hold. 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 Good girl, Annie. Good girl. I blew it for you, but good girl. Oh, I'm the world's worst hunter. Oh, how'd I miss that? Good girl, Annie. That was Annie's first legitimate point and where I got to shoot on a chukar. And I missed it. And as the bird was flying away, I was thinking to myself, I gotta get this one because I gotta get it for Annie. And I think the pressure was more than I could handle and I missed it. But that was so cool. She locked up on that single. Stoked. Good girl, Annie. Grab it. Go ahead, grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Good girl. Good girl. Well, that was pretty awesome. That was Annie's first point for me. She locked up on this group of birds. Jordan told me she was on point, and it was really great because we heard the birds, we thought, in this one rock cropping, but Annie went on point just a little bit away from that, and good thing I followed her because she put me right on them. Well, today we're hunting an area that's pretty close to our house. Got kind of a late start, just sort of hunting a half day, and in the
haste to leave the house, I forgot my vest like a rookie noob. So Jordan was nice enough to give me some shells because all my shells are in my vest, and now I have a bird, and I'm hoping Jordan's going to be nice enough to hold my bird for me too, because I don't really have anywhere to put it.
Oh. Hold. Hold. Great point. Hold. Hold. So cool. Good girl, dead bird, dead bird! That was so awesome. That makes the entire hunt worth it. Reed told me that he thought Annie was on point, and I looked down the hill pretty far down there, and she was, and she waited the entire time I got down there. She held the point. I walked past her about 30 yards, and all the birds got up, and I got one, and she ran down there and got it. It was textbook, and it was awesome. This has been a year of training coming to fruition. I am so stoked to have a dog that is working so well. So the covey that I got up on the other ridge flew over to this ridge, and we heard them calling, so we came over here, but we're not exactly sure where they are. So what we did is we walked up the hill. You know, we're higher up the ridge than we think they are because the wind is blowing up. So we're just trying to get Annie into position to where, you know, at some point we should cross their path. Over here. That was pretty crazy. Halibirds right there. Annie, dead bird, come here. What are you doing? Annie, come on, dead bird, dead bird. Yeah, dead bird. Good girl, good girl. Where's the bird? Dead bird. Where's the bird? Dead bird, Annie. Oh, I'm standing on it. Okay. Good girl, Annie. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, there's another one though. Dead bird. Come on. Dead bird. This one's down here. Come on, dead bird. Dead bird. Hey, noise. Dead bird, Annie. Is that it? Oh, it's a bunny. Okay. Did you find it? Dead bird. Dead bird. Oh, I see it. It's in that bush. Good girl, Annie. Dead bird. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Grab it. Okay, grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Good girl. Grab it. And you got 3 in 1 shot.
I'm pretty sure that's a first for me. So 3 in 1 shot, I'll take it. I got 5 birds today in 4 shots, so I might as well just quit because no day the rest of the season can top that. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, remember to smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel already, please consider doing so. And if you're interested in any of the gear that we used, or you want any Reels and Ridges hats, hoodies, or shirts, check out the links in our description. Thanks again for watching.